Okay, in number 8, we're looking at writing in function notation the area as a function of W, first of all. And I've gone ahead and sketched out a rectangle for you. If we're going to be using a variable of W, then we need to represent the length with 2W. So area as a function of W is going to be, instead of length times width, because we've got two different variables there, our length is going to be represented with that 2W times W for the width. So that's going to give me 2W squared for area. All right, so there's part A. Part B asks to express the perimeter as a function of W. Now the perimeter formula of a rectangle is going to be 2 lengths plus 2 widths. But again, in terms of W, we'll want to change that length to be our 2W. So now we've got 4W plus 2W is going to give me the perimeter in terms of width is 6W. Okay, and then moving on, part C, express the diagonal as a function of W. If I were to draw a diagonal in for that rectangle, I'm going to go ahead and represent those other two sides in terms of width. But what I formed are two right triangles. So if I'm looking for this diagonal, I can use the Pythagorean theorem that says that I can square the two legs. So 2W squared plus W squared. Add them together, and that's going to give me the diagonal squared. So that would be 4W squared plus W squared equals the diagonal squared. So 5W squared equals the diagonal squared. Now I'm looking to represent, I want to know what the diagonal is. So take the square root of both sides. That would normally give me the plus or minus value on the left-hand side, but distance is only going to be positive. So I'm going to have here W times the square root of 5. In function notation, that's the diagonal in terms of W, or as a function of width, is equal to W times the square root of 5.